How to fix the notification not working in your iPhone after the iOS update. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your notification settings. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your phone settings. Now once you are in here you have to go on the notification, and from here you have to select the app that you are having issue. For example, if you select the app and here you have to just scroll down, and here is the option of the notification setting from that specific app. You just have to click on it, and from here is the option of the reset notification setting. You have to click on it, and from here is the confirmation. To select the custom notification from your chats, you have to simply click on the reset, and after selecting the specific app you just have to go back and you have to again go in your phone settings, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to go on the general. Now once you are in the general, here you have to go on the transfer or the reset iPhone. You have to click on it, and here you have to go on the reset. Now here you have to go on the reset of the all setting, but make sure that you are ready to transfer the new device settings. So that's how you can fix the notification not working in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.